Alright, well we're back with some of this. I got a new assault rifle, and I think we're just gonna jump into the next mission. So I still have no idea what the fuck is happening. I guess I was in a coma for 7 years because a spaceship blew up on top of me. Oh, there you go. That right there, the tip. I still want the big, giant suit of armor. That'd be great, please. Dude, look at this.
Closer, this is May.
Let's get to it!
We have to tell you all about the 7 years you slept away. 7 years ago, in the battle against the Hivecraft, the EDF lost the majority of...
What the... Oh, fuck, hello.
Top it off, Flair, a team of elites, led a coup d'etat. They called themselves the Kindred Rebellion and started looting.
Kindred Rebellion. A fancy name for a bunch of thugs. Of course, they do fight the aggressors as well. But there will come a time when we have to go up against them. Other humans. Just keep that in mind.
Oh shit, I think I accidentally activated the other one.
All clear on this edge.
You just not... Fuck off.
I'm on your side.
My ear is itchy. I need to itch it. Run. Stop it. Ah. Okay, we're good. It's okay. High explosives are your friend. Pew pew. See, I got a new assault rifle. Kinda sucks. Not sure how I feel about this loot system. You're a flight person. Give me all the shit. Look at the yellow. Ooh. Pew pew. Don't worry, I got this, guys. Can you yell crossing at least or something? So I know that you're gonna run in front of me like an asshole. No. Hey guys, shoot the fucking thing. Wow, this actually fucked it up apparently. Oh, hello. Wow. Apparently I got this with an assault rifle, guys. Don't worry.
They're few in number.
Don't walk. It's okay. Just sit there.
Watch out for the gas.
Bam. Oh, fuck. Ah! Pew pew. The fuck are you?
Those things can explode.
Even regular bomb beetles can emit gas over 100 degrees Celsius. We
Oh,
see
stop
size,
it.
the heat's one thing, but the smell is repugnant. That stench may last a while.
Captain! No problem. Don't worry about me. Bring up the front line!
Ah! Fuck you! I missed.
Mr. Scourger. Alright. This is the time to resort.
Ah. I know how to aim. Did you see that? I shot the top of that blue building. Now I'm shooting him in the butt. He dead? What the fuck? Just die. Okay, now you're dead. Spun that bitch like a top. Ah!
My radar isn't working.
Stop it.
Am I taking too many hits?
Just gonna go ahead and ignore that last guy. Just want all the loot. Boop. Fucking... This control system's a little fucking weird. Whee! Pew pew! Got him. Not sure why that exploded, but go with it. We did it, guys! We did it!
All giant creatures exterminated.
Dude,
Don't
look, it's a
forget to
Jeep
collect the
Gladiator.
energy gems the aggressors left behind.
Yes, ma'am.
Kinda looks
Energy
like
gems
her.
are an important resource for us. They're needed to power the energy cores used in our equipment, including in our PA gear.
Basically, we need him to survive.
Pew!
That's right. Everyone finished?
Oh, I fucked
Let's
up
head
the
back to
reload.
camp.
I've already collected all of it. Let's go. You guys are pretty fucking useless.
So this place is now a battleground too.
Yep.
I worry about my parents back home.
Pew, pew, pew. That was double A for sure. Come on. Yeah, look at that. We did it, boys. Not sure what exactly we accomplished besides killing some shit, but we
I
did
don't
it.
get me some gems, it's gonna be tough to pay my lease this month. Last month I lost big.
Back at the ant races? Let up, man. I'll double your pay. Next time.
Ooh. I guess we're ready.
Squall team found a horde
Oh,
of
hello.
giant creatures in this area while they were scouting. Last team, search the area and exterminate all giant creatures on site.
Explode them. Got it. I come down so gently, too. Like, it's just... We got, like, whole teams.
Another day, another business opportunity.
Pew,
Brenda,
pew.
let's battle
Holy
with
fuck.
the squad and collect more gems.
You're awfully cheery.
I can't help it. We've been racking up win after win since that closer came. That crazy overdrive tears them apart like paper.
And you profit off the scraps.
You got it. So closer. Light up today, won't you? Let's go, squad 2. Don't fall behind Team Brenda. This ain't exactly picture perfect.
Oh, sorry, I'm coming back. Ah! Bug, you're out of bounds. You're gonna die. Careful. Ah, no.
Charge complete.
Ah!
Don't get shown up by Team Blast! Charge!
No. No.
Some ants! He may finish first!
Ah!
Also, be careful!
Ah! Ah!
You're all right.
Take that. Fuck you.
Damn it! I got you up. Take it easy.
This is a lot harder than it first was. Got a rocket launcher with more bullets, but the bullets are weaker. Rockets. Rocket bullets.
There's still more of them. Will they give us a break?
No. Ah!
Hey, keep it together now. Closer. Is incredible.
I'm not incredible, I just have overwhelming amount of firepower. That almost didn't work.
Guess that's about it.
Are you fucking kidding? That was it?
Unknown giant creature approaching.
Hang on, I'm collecting the loot. What the fuck?
What is that? Never seen that one before. A new type of enemy?
Checking database. There is a hit. The Canada branch encountered it 2 days ago.
Any info?
Apparently its body can...
Yup, got it. Brace yourselves.
Is that a fucking praying mantis?
What happened with the Canada branch? took them down.
Well, actually,
Oh, don't tell me! I wonder what these things are made of.
I don't know, but it's gonna go down like a hot sack of shit. Ah, fuck. Ah.
large number of energy gems detected inside.
Squad leader, look at all those energy gems.
I got it.
Everyone, collect those energy gems from the body.
Ooh,
We
I
need
got red
those
things.
gems ever since we lost our generators.
Woo! That's what I call a payout.
We did it.
You must enter the
Yay.
tiger's den to take a tiger cub. It was worth the risk. Sir, your ancient Japanese sayings are really confusing. Essentially, it's a bonus character.
Bonus character?
Remember? They had them in video games? Oh, right! Video games! I remember those. When I was a kid, I used to borrow my brother's wrestling game.
It's another. What the fuck are these supposed to be? They kind of look like praying mantis if they were mutated.
Enemy
Really?
reinforcements.
That's it?
Not again! We can only handle so much.
If we retreat, the nearby Area A will be in danger. Defense priority level A. We must protect the sponsor's housing.
What
Send lightning for backup.
the fuck?
Roger.
Hey, Closer, did you know we only fight in high defense priority level areas?
But there's not enough of us to protect all the areas. They call it being efficient.
Lightning leader to Maeve, approaching mission area. Here come the heroes. Lightning 3, Marcus, stay in formation. Yeah.
Air Force support is arriving momentarily. Be careful.
This is Lightning 1, Kim. We entered the mission area, target in
I
sight.
can take 'em.
We see the aggressor's ugly new face. Launching missile, Fox 2.
Ah!
Just surprised me.
Oh, you missed some.
All attacks landed. Heavy damage to that new aggressor type.
How about that? I think I hit more than you, sir. You wish. Objective complete. Lightning headed home.
Your objective is not complete, dickhead. There are so many left. Ah, got it. Yeah. Fuck you. Fuck you, big boy. There's only 4 left. There's only 4 left now. We can do it. You're believing us, guys. I am aiming for their torso. Well, I'm aiming more for like their dick. It's the same thing, isn't it? Aha, suck it. I wish to collect all these things over here.
Don't worry. HQ! Where are those reinforcements? HQ!
You're good. Fucking shut up. I just want all these red things. These things were hard to come by in the last few
Fine
missions.
with me, but I get your share.
Yeah, keep attacking them. It's okay.
Damn it, that thing's tough. Does it have a soft spot anywhere?
Low energy. I'm sorry. I have to step out to switch my code.
Ah! Leave me alone! Ah!
These guys make for
I wanted to collect all the things. Leave me alone.
The new giant creatures have fallen silent. But Commander, a new type of aggressor means...
The aggressors are on the move again.
They're on the move. Oh no! It's like every
Send it down
EDF
from this
game.
battle to Dr. Mengele immediately.
Except this one's trying to be serious, and I can't take it seriously.
Cloud here. Roger.
Says there's something over here.
Recharging energy.
I want it. I want it. I want it. I want
Charge
it.
complete.
Ah! Got it. We did it! I only took a couple points of damage. That is an A rank. Shut the fuck up. Get out of here.
How are our brave EDF soldiers doing today? This is Libby, cheering you on as always. I heard the aggressors deployed a new weapon the other day. I was so worried. All for nothing. Report after report of EDF victories. New weapon, schmeppin'. The EDF is still the strongest force on this planet. Oh, I'm sorry. Got a little excited there. I should take a sip of my Land Lake Foods coffee and calm down. Drink piping hot coffee wherever you go. And it's pretty good, too. Our lives are safe because of the brave acts of everyone at the EDF. Go, EDF! You got this!
I got this.
Thanks, bud.
You an Olivia fan?
Yes. Hearing her voice gives me courage.
Ah, then you won't mind frontlining the next battle.
What? You wouldn't really do that to me, would you?
Well, I'm gonna stop this one here, guys, and we're gonna do some more, because I'm enjoying myself even if I'm shitting on the game. It's just what I do. I still want my fucking new suit, okay? That's what I'm trying to get. I want it.